What's up? Just riding my dirt bike, and I've been riding my dirt bike all over the country for the last 5 years because of welding. KWI, our main goal isn't for you to be a welder forever. And that kind of doesn't make sense because we are a welding institute, but our main goal is to help you get to where you want to be in life through welding. So when you learn welding, you have a trade that you can do with your hands. You can always fall back onto that. But at KWI, we want our students to go out and be foremen, project managers. We want them to start their own businesses, run their own companies. Welding can provide you with so much freedom and financial gain to where you can get to where you want to be in a short amount of time. I love riding dirt bikes. I've been traveling the country for the last 5 years in welding, so I'll work 6 months out of the year. I'll ride the other 6 months, and I'll get to see the country and get paid to do it. So I'll take my dirt bike with me to jobs. Now, you may have a different hobby. You may not like dirt biking. You may like drifting cars. You may like horses. You may like hiking. Welding can give you the freedom and the financial ability to do what you want most of the time. And if you're smart with your money and invest it and use it to your gain and let compound interest work for you, eventually you'll be able to do whatever you want in life. Now, in the comment section, there's gonna be tons of people that say this is horse crap, but it's not. That's what we do at KWI. We help you to learn how to weld, to make good money, work where you want, be where you want in life, and eventually succeed with your own business or doing your hobbies most of the time. So anybody in the comment section who has anything contrary to say to this is probably unhappy and has to work every day of their life just to keep up with the bills that they've acquired making good money as a welder, because you can put yourself in a bind as a welder when you're making that good money on the road and you start buying campers and boats and just stuff that really sucks you down financially. So in conclusion, use welding to get to where you want to be in life. And that's what KWI is about, helping you to get where you want to be in life through welding, having a craft that you can always do with your hands, and then eventually excelling past that to doing what you want to do all the time. Freedom at KWI, and we can help you get there. Thanks.